the star of this show is this soursop. Like I have never ever had soursop before. But right now we just went to the market and I kind of tasted a little bit of soursop smoothie, which was really, really nice. So I'm hoping this fruit is gonna taste delicious too. Like this one costs $20, so it's not really cheap. And we're gonna open it today because it's kind of soft already. So we're gonna try it out for you guys. Hi guys, so first fruit we're gonna open from this beautiful, beautiful pile is gonna be this mangosteen. If you don't know, mangosteen, when you pick it, it's supposed to be like a little bit soft on the outside. Okay, if it's too hard, don't buy it. It's gonna be a waste of money. So I'm kind of gonna like open very, very carefully, just like this. You see, you don't want to cut through because you're gonna ruin the fruit. There are like little pods inside. You will see. You ready for this? I am hoping it's gonna be white, but okay, I'm not there yet. Wait. I'm not there. Nope. Okay, I'm still not there yet. Ooh, okay, I think I'm there.
Yeah.
I'm there now, for sure. And it's white, you guys, so it's good. And hold on, I'm gonna give it to you. Okay.
It looks like garlic.
This is my little sister, and she's gonna do a quick taste test for us. It's not garlic.
It's sweet.
It's delicious. Isn't it delicious? It's like a little bit sour. Let me taste.
Hey, no laughing.
Slightly custardy texture, but it is juicy at the same time, and it is so good, guys. And it is so expensive. $13 per pound. So we only bought 4. You want more? She likes it. Good. Okay. Good. Ruslana, try this one. I'm gonna give you one. Now we have Ruslana who's gonna try a little bit. Now, what do you think? Did you try it before? I don't think I ever bought it here. I don't think I ever even seen it.
Texture, but it's good.
You get used to it because it's kind of like custardy, right? A little bit. Yeah.
It's like one of my favorite fruits.
You can eat this together with the seed. This one. I mean, I eat together. You want to try?
Because you're a weirdo.
It's gonna be a little bit crunchy inside. Now, попробуй, try it. I'm gonna open more because you gotta open them, otherwise they're gonna all harden soon. So we're gonna open them all real quick.
Ray's staring at me.
Good. This one must be open now. If it hardens, forget about it.
It's soft, it doesn't have strong flavor, so...
No, it's like, it takes really, really long time for these fruits to actually, you know, grow on a tree. I think it takes like 20 years or something.
What?
That's why they are so expensive. They are not like apples, you know? They need like special temperature. They need like special temperature, special, you know, sunlight.
I refuse to believe
Oh, that's what it's gonna be for you.
Wow.
Okay, and Nika.
Look
you
at
too.
that one. Oh my.
Just look at it.
Nisha? Okay,
Now,
so
eat it. It's good. It's a weird texture, but it's good.
Just put the whole thing in your mouth.
Just like
Do I
eat it.
chew on it?
No, it won't. Yeah,
chew.
sure.
It's juicy, sweet, sour.
Just eat it. Did you swallow it already?
What do you think?
Yeah, it's good.
You like it? One more?
It feels weird.
Try it again.
It looks like cheese.
Sometimes it takes. It looks like cheese or garlic, right?
Yeah.
But
Wow.
oh man. Okay.
$13.
You know, I'm gonna wash it. I'm gonna eat it. But eat this. This one has a little seed. You
No,
can
I
actually
don't.
crunch it.
I don't want it.
You don't want it. Okay, Dasha will eat it. So I gotta open them all the same day, guys. This one is
Cut it
very
before it
soft.
expires.
This one is very soft.
Uh-huh.
What are we opening next, you guys? What haven't you tried? Okay, Nika, you decide. We're opening this, which is called soursop, or the fruit I've been waiting for the whole
Okay,
year.
then do that one. Yeah.
Okay, so this is called mami, the fruit that I can't find in New York, and I had to go buy it. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and kind of cut it around, cut it like that.
Okay.
Look at this. This seed is so freaking beautiful. It's like from some alien world, Nika. Isn't it beautiful?
Yeah.
All right, now we're gonna take like a little spoon. Nika, bring a few spoons. Nika, dig in. Dasha,
Oh man.
Dasha.
Smell the fruits. Oh man.
I told you.
No. You start eating, and the more you eat, the more it turns the feeling like a cake.
She said, "Oh man."
It like tastes good, but the texture is like horrible.
I told you.
No,
Oh, look at her. She's interested.
I love it. I love this fruit. Awesome.
Oh.
She wants to try some fruit. Look at her.
I can't.
It tastes good.
I can't.
I guess some people like it, some people don't. And I guess I'm one of those people who like it. This is what I like to eat instead of cake. She's really curious. Look at her. Yeah, it's like
What's good, yo?
it's like a sweet potato, but
She's
it's
trying not to look at
very
you.
interesting.
Bro thinks I'm paparazzi.
Take a spoon and dig it. Oh man.
Oh man.
Last time.
I know. Not to like around it. Yeah.
Try it.
I remember I had it last summer. Like sweet potato cooked, yeah. And then you eat more and more and it turns into a cake. It's a magical fruit. I guess kids don't like it too much. I don't know. They don't like the texture. It's a little corn texture. Oh my god.
What is that?
No, it's like icky. It's like you're eating throw up. Like applesauce
Stop
throw
it.
up.
It is.
You don't want this in
Alright, we
video.
need to cut that out.
Wow.
Who's
It's opinions. It's opinions.
Oh, there are like 2 seeds in this one? What? There are 2 seeds in here.
Oh.
Huh. Okay, look at the
Hashtag
seeds.
rare find. Hashtag legend.
I don't get how you like it.
I really like it. I don't know. Misha, come over here. On the camera. No.
Dig in.
What is this?
Dig in.
This is called mame, this fruit.
Dig in.
Okay, sweet.
It's not.
It's not
It's
bad.
good. The
good?
texture's kind of weird.
Exactly.
Oh,
It's
man.
too soft.
It's
Yeah.
very soft. Well, it's supposed to be soft.
It feels like a
You
different.
want more?
If there's a different texture, I
Okay.
would eat it.
It feels too soft.
Feels too
Yeah,
soft?
exactly.
Alright, well, I'm glad you tried. Good. They all tried, you guys. Okay, now we're gonna open a new fruit, you guys, that I've never opened before and I've never
These ones. Oh,
tasted.
these ones.
No, this sour sap. This fruit I
Yeah.
paid $20. $20, just one
Let's hope it's good.
piece.
I can buy shirts with this.
You can buy shirts with it, yeah. Let me cool off a little bit.
How do you
And
pay?
we will move on.
Just put that.
Asha, what are you doing?
You have a sour sap head.
Oh my god.
Nika, you could save this.
She's putting.
Okay, guys.
All right.
Wait.
Okay, guys, let's go ahead and dig into this beauty. Even though it looks like a
Dragon egg.
yeah. There you go.
Oh, Harry Potter. That like. Oh, okay, never mind.
Harry Potter, kakahira.
You know, in Harry. Oh wow, that's
Ooh
it.
la la.
Oh wow.
Look at that.
Looks like-
Nika, do not eat the seeds. Don't eat the seeds because the seeds are supposedly toxic.
Did not
Who's
like
gonna
it.
go first? Who's so brave? Okay, my little sister is
Do I
gonna go
have to
first.
like go from this?
Here,
No, like a banana.
it's like very soft. Look at this, like custardy. Maybe here. I got this one for you.
No, I
Maybe.
got this. I got this.
You sure? Okay. How is it? No? Not good? Maybe you got the wrong piece. Hold on.
Sour.
I'm going to try this, okay? The first time in my life. It is definitely sour.
Is
The
it good?
texture is like fibrous a little bit. I don't know if it's supposed to be like this or if it's supposed to
Can
be
you give me a little piece,
Alright,
Mom?
I'm gonna give you a little piece.
You
Hold
get
on.
the soft side.
Wait, I think I need to get like this.
Yeah.
Creamy side, right?
Yeah, and it's
This
really
is
good.
the-
on the
Okay, I'm
cream.
gonna give this to
That's a
So hard to
big.
whip off.
the operator.
This side I like.
I don't think like this.
It
here.
tastes like this dessert that I've tried.
tastes good.
Oh, what was that?
It tastes
You
good
went-
though. It just has to be.
It has a weird
This is not-
aftertaste though.
No, it's not weird. It's just like soury.
No, the aftertaste.
Yeah.
It tastes like the mangosteen aftertaste. Mmm!
It's good. Yeah.
It tastes like the sour apple gummies.
Huh?
Oh.
Sour apple gummies.
Yeah. I know what you're talking about. I remember.
Yeah.
I remember the beat.
Stop.
Ooh. Maybe this is what we're gonna do. We open it. We take the
I don't
seeds
want
out.
any more.
Okay. give this to Ruslan. I'm sorry, you ready? Look, I figured out how to eat it. I just take a little pot out. And then I take a little seed out. This is called sour sop.
Sour.
Okay, Dasha. Ready? How is it?
Sticky.
Okay, how's
It's
it
good.
taste?
It's good.
You like this better than
Yeah.
this, mommy?
Yeah, but it's sticky. I don't like how sticky it is.
Oh. Okay, well.
Texture plays a big
good.
role,
It's
Mama.
good you tried still. Everybody trying, so it's all good.
Oh, as long as you don't try the middle
You take
part.
the seeds out.
As
It's not
long
big.
as
I figured out. I'll open like this. I'll take a pot out like this. I take a seed out. It's a messy process. It's good. And then I eat the piece.
as long as you don't eat the
Oh,
middle part.
Hi,
Hello
Kisa.
Hi.
Oh.
Do you want to try?
No, Kisa. Don't show your butt off.
Oh my
there you
God.
go.
Oh.
She's very curious. She wants to know what we're doing here. Come on.
Wild mother in her natural habitat. With the
Yummy.
tail in her
Come
face. With the tail in her face.
Oh my God.
With the
It's
tail
sour,
in
but
her
it has
face.
a sweetness and this creaminess.
I don't like the middle part. Middle part is sour.
Like this hard sides, I think it's not like fully right, but this is really soft.
Was it worth the $20, mother?
I always wanted to try different fruit, so you know. Next time I have to buy, I think like super soft. Like I said, like over here, see this side? It's too hard here. I think it has to be like soft all around in order to be perfect. Oh, Ruslana, come and
Yeah, tell me.
one spoon for camera. Take that. Put the pictures. Oh my god.
Just eat it. It's like a banana texture, kind of,
There is something.
but different taste. Guys, like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Whoever shares the most is gonna get this jar.
God.
2 years with that just been sitting there. Someone take it.
That
2
looks like a
years
science
without
experiment.
anything. It just grew out of nowhere.
And you
I mean,
might
not
get a
nowhere.
surprise
Obviously, there's a
inside.
lot going on. We don't see.
We don't know.
It's a science experiment.
We can leave this here. Nika, you wanna try a mango?
Yeah, I never tried it before.
Okay. You're not serious, are you?
Never tried it.
You've never tried a mango?
No? Okay, we'll open mango for you. Of
Which
course.
one's a man?
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. Before you go,
Yeah.
first you have to try this sour.
Yeah. Just eat it.
It's not as bad as it looks.
I know. I hope so.
Eat it.
It's good. I like sour soup.
It's It's 30. $20. $20. Yeah,
So
Mama.
freaking expensive, man.
Mm.
But you know what? It's worth it. It's interesting. Okay, Nika's gonna try the mango.
Mango.
Stop.
Ooh,
The
this
cameraman
mango looks like
is like-
it's a beautiful thing. Hanging, you guys.
I don't think the cameraman is human. Yeah.
Ready? Ta-da! 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 Just bite it. Just bite it. Just bite it.
Okay. Good.
Mango.
How
Not
is
my
it?
cup of tea.
What?
You don't like
Not
mango?
my cup of tea.
Okay, then this is gonna be for Dasha. Here, Dasha. Let me try it.
It tastes different.
Tastes different?
Mango.
No, it tastes
Stop.
tastes good. Tastes good. Okay, let's open a different one. Nika, if you don't like
cameraman's
this
like
one, this one
holding
might be
it.
different.
Mango.
It's
Oh my god.
It's different mango. But
Is that a mango?
It's a mango. too.
Mango.
They have so many kinds of mango, Nika.
Mango.
I don't know how
Yeah,
many,
they
but a
have a
lot.
mangosteen.
Mango?
Is this going to taste different?
I like this one.
Mango.
Meh.
Nah?
Mango.
I like it, but I wouldn't eat it every day.
Oh yeah.
Okay. But you're trying, that's good.
Mango.
Oh my god. She's speaking in tongues.
Dasha, let's try this one, right?
Mango.
Okay. Here we go.
Amazing
Gonna give you
video.
a quick taste.
Chill.
These mangoes, they are less fibrous than the other ones, so, right? It's easier to eat these. My little operator. How is it?
Oh, okay.
It's okay?
There's better in
I
New
think
York.
we gotta give these think we gotta give this maybe another 2 more days. Maybe we'll see how they are tomorrow, maybe after tomorrow. Because they have to be slightly like, wrinkly a little bit, these. But these are pretty much ready, so we gotta eat these guys. Alright guys, I think we're done fruit tasting. I hope you enjoyed our little fun family video. And let me know in the comments, have you ever tried this soursop fruit? Because it's certainly unique. It's certainly nothing like I ever tried before, and I really enjoyed it.
10 out of 10.
Oh, see? My sister, she approves.
Stop focusing on
Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.